very good morning from Saint Lucia. It looks very nice out there this morning. This is what we're doing. If I put it round the right way, you'd be able to see. Aerial tram. And the forecast is heavy showers just when we're up above the trees. Oh dear.
They said heavy downpours, didn't they?
Brollies will be needed, dearest.
Oh, if you can, up in the tree.
Yeah, because she will. Should be able to.
Your eyes are really red this morning.
Yes, look at me. I look like I've been on the beer, but I haven't. It's just I've had a shower and tiredness. Look, oh, the state of that. Close up.
Oh no, I won't do that.
No, well, I've done it. Looks like they could do with an odd carrier out there, pal. Come on, make yourself useful. You'd be able to get some up and down the ladder with some cement and bricks. Can't get my S's out. Oh, look at that rainbow.
Is there a rainbow?
Yeah, two rainbows. That.
Oh, so it has been raining then.
Isn't that nice? So we're going to get soaked. But doesn't it look nice? Look at that. Yeah, it's a nice area. Quick, that's a photo with the rainbow in it, isn't it?
Oh, I'll get you phone.
Does look nice. Here she comes, my assistant.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to go and take a picture.
Make sure you get the rainbow in it. Not the building site. Look at her. That David Bailey, aren't you, dear?
I'll take a couple.
Well done. Right. Come on.
Right.
We've got breakfast to go to. It's the keys
Keys again.
for breakfast. First time, not omelette.
Tomato omelette. What have you got?
More or less the same, except I've got bacon.
Oh, you got a tomato omelette?
Yes? No, cheese and tomato, sorry.
Oh.
Let's have a go. So this is the aerial tram. I don't know. Aerial tram. Right, thank you. And it just chucked it down just as we got off the ship. So that takes you to the beach, I think they said. Oh well. Brolly's up. Miguel. So we're on the trail first before you go in the before we go in that. Oh look, there's one there, look.
Oh yeah. Right.
You can hear the rain coming down there, can't you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear someone on a zip line. Brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's all the zip liners.
Good luck.
Have fun. That you'll see it going past in a minute.
I've got good hiking
There it
shoes
goes.
on, haven't I?
Look at that. Look, she's got her rainforest gear on today. Look. Appropriate shoes. Brolly.
Be another pair to throw away.
Yeah. Very muddy, isn't it? Wow, look at this tree. Over this boulder, look.
Oh wow.
The wood is very soft. Yeah. So you can't use the wood to do anything. It's split and not do whatever. It is known locally as a useless tree, but botanically it is known as customary fragrance. Yeah. No, I'm really strong, but I'm really mad.
How you doing?
There is a white nutmeg that I'm laying down here. This is known as white nutmeg, okay guys? And also,
And these.
And this is the cure. To get
Oh, is
on.
it?
Yes.
Because all that look got in front of us.
Yeah.
guys, welcome to the Customary Waterworks Resort, like I told you already. So you guys have me for another 40 or 45 minutes, maybe 50. Okay. So, you're gonna hear my talking old rusty voice again.
That's alright.
Saint Lucia was once an undersea volcano that broke the surface of the water about 40 million years ago. So all the animals or wildlife on the island had to be introduced. Birds make up 70% of our wildlife because they flew in and they stay. Okay? The animals like mammals had to be brought in. So we're gonna stop in a while. Don't be alarmed, don't freak out and jump over. We're stopping because there's 16 cable carts on one cable. So when one cable cart stops to the bottom, the stick will on and off, and every cable cart stops, okay?
That's how high up we go, look at that.
We have a snake called the Saint Lucia Racer.
Do you ever cut trees down and things? Or
No,
just fall?
it's a protected place.
Yeah,
They
so
fall.
just a fall.
Yeah,
You
they
just
fall.
fall. And
She's
so,
falling in the forest all the time.
okay. And do
She's
you,
get all, and it's a primary forest.
yeah.
So it has been so primary forest, meaning that it has been like this from the beginning. It has never been hit by a major storm and had to be regrown. The water in there is high in minerals and iron, zinc. It's also good for different skin disorders like eczema. So and guys, we started
brilliant, isn't it?
at 600 feet above sea level at base station. We're gonna be elevating 800 feet.
Ooh.
It's gonna take us to 1,400 feet above floor. The river is the first layer, then the forest floor, then the understory, then the canopy, then the emergent layer. We're gonna experience every layer of the forest on this excursion. And ficuses may look very harmful, but they're very helpful to the forest. They are semi-seedless trees, so they shed the leaves once a year. On an average, 2% of sunlight gets to the forest floor. And when the ficus sheds its leaves, it allows more sunlight to get in. And the bark of this tree, the ladies also use it for the menstrual pain because it's a good blood thinner. This is its botanical name, but it's a giant tree fern, and it is a spore-bearing plant. Spore-bearing means that it only needs water droplets to reproduce. if we look directly in front of us on the right, you see a banana tree.
Yeah.
So banana trees,
What, this one?
has bananas in it.
Really?
Directly below, on the right, at the front.
Where?
There, look.
Oh yeah, I see them. There's loads.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's loads of them. You might see them
Yeah.
when you go round. Look, see them just down. Oh, they were down there.
In order to get to know how it tastes, you need to get past the smell. Use that canoe.
We'll turn around now.
Oh yeah.
Island to Arvia. Directly in front of us is the wild chestnut tree, or it is known as Sloania caribe. Reason why it goes named Sloania caribe. It's a slow-growing tree, and caribe because it is Caribbean endemic. You can only find this tree in the Caribbean, and this is the
There we go.
This is good.
This particular tree is a very good tree, and the rooting system that you see right there on this
Look at that.
known as a buttress rooting system.
Come in the rainforest, you go expect
rain.
a bit of rain,
Yeah, you've got your umbrella up the top there. Look.
and it's chucking it down.
So much.
Yeah.
There's no AC.
What a view!
This is Neighboring Island of St. Vincent, 27 miles from south.
Martinique. We were there yesterday. wasn't it?
So,
The
if you
faces
look to
of
the
the
right,
church.
to the left, guys, we see this body of water. This is the Caribbean Sea.
Caribbean
And this is
Sea
where
over
the
there.
boats dock,
Oh.
Yeah.
And this is where 90% of our hotels are. This is where locals
over there.
go to
This
do
is
all
very-
this bathing,
Yeah.
all the beach activities. This body of water is very calm and very nice. This is where we go to do jet skiing, all types of scuba diving. Everything is done on this particular side of the area. The leatherback turtle comes up every year to lay its egg. We do turtle watching on this side. So you see both bodies of water that surrounds the island gives you an idea of how small the island is. The island is only 14 miles wide at its widest point and 27 miles long.
Can hear the birds.
Yeah.
A sacrifice.
Yeah, you can hear them.
One of these a sacrifice, is it?
Yeah, one of these is sacrifice. And that is the Mont La Sorcière. And we're bilingual, guys, if you're wondering. We speak two languages, we speak English and
And
Creole.
Creole.
And we will, it's kind of French based.
Oh, there's one. There's a bird.
We were once colonized by both the French and the British. We were
Oh yeah.
Little tiny. Yeah, here he goes.
Look, hummingbird.
Oh,
Yeah.
right, that is a purple fruited Caribbean.
there he goes.
Goes wow.
Oh, it's so quick.
Yep. To the Arctic, that's where he's been heading to King's Point. He used to be. Forest is now protected. So this serves as the line for the forest,
Yeah.
the boundary line.
Yeah.
Once you live there, you can the rainforest, everything.
We're coming to the end.
There's flowers up in that.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
The tree over there is the orange flowers,
Yeah.
known as the African tulips on the left.
Beautiful that one, isn't it? That big one,
Beautiful.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get your African tulips.
Yeah, look up there.
yeah.
African tulips. And then little pink flower in
We
there.
are now approaching the base station, returning to the base station on behalf of myself and have fun. My name is Jean-Miguel.
Yeah.
You guys didn't have fun. You never met the best.
Here we go, coming to the end.
The operator is going to
Right
open the
there.
gate for you guys.
This lovely lady has just given us some rum punch.
Oh no, there you are. Cozy, cozy.
Thank you very much for the rum punch.
Is that a camera?
It's
A video?
a recording.
Oh, cool.
So when it spins around, there you are.
You showed me something new today. welcome to Saint Lucia, Jude.
Lovely, thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is the cruise port in Saint Lucia. Mostly jewellery shops.
Ah, look, on Wi-Fi. That's nice, that little bit around there. Ain't got far to stumble to the ship.
No, we haven't. Look at that. Straight off our tour into the Rum Punch pub. It's called the Harbour Shack.
Hey, Bron.
Hold up. Look at that. What a beauty. Looks like Punch Drunk. Look at that. Rum Punch.
Punch drunk.
Yeah, that's it. Want to make a call home? Yeah.
Do you want to what?
Make a call home. Phone box there.
Alright. Hang on, Bron.
That looks lively in there, doesn't it? Run therapy.
Looks good though. That looks really good in there.
Easy in there.
Saint Lucia, look over there. What? Get out of my pub.
From your eyes, let's don't have a good thing now. When you know I never lied to you. Yeah, they call it the time. And walk out.
5:15. I've got to be on at 5:30.
Although we will be on a southeasterly course most of tomorrow, heading into the trade winds, they are not forecast to be more than 20 knots. And with our very slow passage speed, will generate a nice, warm and welcomed relative wind over the decks. Well, that's all from me. It's lovely to have you back. I'll speak to you all tomorrow at the usual time, just before 6 p.m, with details of our arrival into Barbados. Well, in recognition of all the friendships that are made on board, perhaps I'll leave you with an appropriate thought for today. Remember that cruising is all about meeting new people, dining with new people, and sleeping with a clear conscience. And on that note, let me wish you all a fantastic evening.
We're on the move. Bye. See you again one day.
Looks good.
Everyone watching over the side of the ship.
No lunch today.
Our stomachs are rumbling, aren't they?
Can you hear them?
So we're off to the main dining room
Yeah.
now, so that we can possibly get in the clubhouse.
Yeah,
to see
just to see Jay Francis, who done
George.
he done George Michael the other day, but I think this is just all different stuff.
Oh yeah?
What do you fancy tonight?
It's hard to choose tonight,
Yes.
isn't it? There's too much on there I like.
So I chose the spinach and chickpea fritters with a spicy tomato sauce.
I've gone for the soup, which is sweet corn and spring onion.
Very nice. This looks nice, isn't it?
I was going to have that.
Well, I beat you to it.
Roast dinner, prime sirloin,
Roast dinner
prime
today.
sirloin. That looks nice. Yorkshire looks nice. Just waiting for the mustard and the horseradish.
Same for me.
That looks lovely. I might have a bit of salt tonight.
What have you got?
Rhubarb, basil and bacon. Rhubarb and
Ginger.
ginger crumble with custard. And what have you got? Irish cream,
Baked
Irish cream.
cheesecake with ice cream.
Come and go. into the funky beat. Don't stop moving to the funky beat. Funky beat. Don't stop moving to the funky beat. Cheers.
A very good evening. Welcome back. We've had a great day in Saint Lucia. We went on a P&O excursion to the rainforest.
And it rained.
And of course it rained. It chucked it down, didn't it?
But I was prepared. I had my brolly.
Pearl was the only one prepared.
I did brolly.
Of course she would be, but she didn't have a
The right.
boots.
No, I had
sandals.
hiking sandals.
Yeah.
I didn't know we were going to do
No,
that.
it's
To
really
be
good,
fair,
really good
we didn't
excursion.
know we were going to do a hike first. It's only half hour though,
Half-hour hike through the rainforest.
and then up in the air.
Aerial tram.
Aerial tram.
And you went high above the tree line.
Oh, it's brilliant.
It was really good.
But you must, when you go through there, he said, don't touch any leaves, don't touch anything really, because you don't know if it's poisonous, obviously, or if you got an allergy or anything. But
A
no,
little bit chaotic in times, as in
yeah,
once you do your trek through the rainforest and you come back to the where you get on the aerial trams. Of course, Virgin Valiant Lady was in,
yeah.
so there was a lot from that ship. Then our ship, and you just didn't know who was meant to get on.
No, it was organised chaos.
It was organised chaos,
And actually coming out of here to get on to the bus,
yeah.
it was a little bit unorganised chaos, but
And-
we enjoyed it though.
But we had a good time. So
Yeah, I thought that was a great.
if you are thinking of doing that, then
If you don't want to just do beaches, that is a good
yeah,
thing to do.
Something.
Yeah, I thought it was great.
Then we came back to the port, had a
Oh.
drink in one of the bars.
That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, and then we walked round to the other bar, the famous one that I can't even think of the name of, the rum one, and that was absolutely heaving and banging.
And yeah, that was a
going
karaoke.
on.
Yeah, it was chaotic.
And we were watching them sort of.
Stagger back.
There's only a couple of minutes to go
Yeah.
before they were back on had to get back on the ship, and some
Yeah,
of
it's
them were-
interesting to watch them,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
But they looked like they were enjoying.
Oh, they
themselves.
was enjoying themselves, wasn't
And
it?
then it was silent disco tonight
Yeah. Hang on.
after our meal.
Yeah. And then going to see
Yeah.
Jay Francis
Jay
again, who was
Francis.
meant to have been George Michael, but he done something else tonight, just not
Yeah,
George
bit-
Michael
bit
stuff. So
Cabaret.
yeah,
right?
but it's still good.
Good,
It's still
voice,
good.
isn't it?
Then sat and watched Oh Bless Him, the pianist in
Yeah.
the piazza, didn't we?
Amber Lounge, get it right?
Yeah, it was still the
yeah,
piazza.
but Amber Lounge.
And then we done the silent disco.
Only for a little while tonight.
Yeah, because we've done it a few times now. But nice couple as we were.
Yes.
as we were coming
as we were
away,
coming off,
It was
From the
Catherine and
sunset.
Steve
yes.
come and spoke to us.
And that was nice. We had a nice photo
Really,
with
yeah,
them.
yeah. They had a photo with us,
Really
and
nice.
also how lovely. Catherine's mum, who's 91, bless her, Joy, watches our videos
Bless her.
I know, I can't believe that. 91.
Wave to
So, hello, Joy. Thanks for watching our videos.
Yes, really,
I know, that's
really
lovely.
appreciate
But they were a lovely couple, weren't
really,
they?
really nice people.
Yeah.
So nice.
I had
to
a
meet
chat
them
with
today.
them. And
Hope-
then,
Hopefully they'll enjoy the
oh
rest
yeah,
of
I'm
the
sure
trip.
they'll enjoy it. I'm sure they will. And then we went up to the crow's nest,
To finish it off.
finish it off. A little, she was a pianist up there, wasn't she?
she's- Yeah.
Little bit of singing, just
Yeah. It's nice.
Nice.
Nice and relaxing.
nice
Yeah.
and relaxing. So I'm so relaxed.
Well,
I
it's
need
12:15.
I it's well past my
Yeah,
bedtime.
It's bedtime.
So
Princess has got to get to bed. She needs her beauty sleep. Well, you don't need your beauty sleep, do you, dear?
shut up, Brian.
Because you're beautiful all the time. So,
No.
we shall see you tomorrow. It's a
See you, day.
There may be a
Yeah.
little bit of packing tomorrow. Only a
Yeah.
little bit.
Oh well,
Yeah.
you're the packer.
Oh, yeah, I'll be doing that.
You pack.
And
Might do a bit of washing.
We'll
I
be
don't know
mooching
yet.
around the ship.
Yeah. So that's it
Yep.
for tonight. You're gonna go and
I'm
do
going to
a
have a little bit of
look upstairs.
Yeah.
Upstairs. I forgot
it.
we was indoors.
do a little bit of filming on the top deck. So, thank you very much.
Thanks for
watching.
watching.
And we shall see you in the morning.
morning.
For the usual
Breakfast.
Yes. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.